So we're actually at the hot springs, the Banff's first hotel that was ever built here. That was the hotel. And this is the hot springs. You can actually feel the heat coming up. It's pretty cool. It was quite a ways down that they went down, and they used that one little log that's floating in there, if you can see it. It's hard. Oh, that feels good. You can smell the sulfur and the heat rising. It's blowing in my face. It actually feels really nice. Oh. Pretty cool. It's a pretty quiet, soggy day. Apparently the springs to actually go inside is closed for some reason. Not sure why. I'm gonna have to find out. But here's another little pool. This is actually warm water, and there's snails in there now, and you can see the little fish. So they've adjusted to this. So that is the hot springs. You can see the steam rising, and there's fish in there, believe it or not. Can you see them? There they are. And the snails, you can see the snails. This is where the water is coming from, feeding down from the mountain. You can feel the heat. Pretty amazing. Hey, Gage? Right? You figure? Yeah. Pretty awesome.